Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, I move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this will be a November to remember in a dancehall history. Vybz Kartel has already kicked it off. First and foremost, we have the Avengers juggling with him the Gaza melody, the official Gaza medley video out. Yes, and we can tell you this, viewers and subscribers, we don't see money we love. Teacher, Squash, Panic Law, big up Shabdan, you know the thing that are ready. Now, we can tell you this. First and foremost, the Spragga Benz, the Little Vibes, the DeMarco, and of course, Vybz Kartel, Jump on the Beat 3 Fix has officially been mixed and mastered. Yes, official release date on its way. And we're going to update you on that as soon as possible. Now, viewers and subscribers, for this month in our dancehall history, the Teacher will be dropping more features and collaborations with some more big name international artists, and that's as far as I will go with it. That's as far as I will go with it. But some big features in the works. You know what I mean? Look forward to it. This is one of the first official features, but slated to be released from the Off Dance and Divas. We have some other tracks that will be 3 fixed as well. You know, people still look out for the Spice and the Popcorn feature with the Teacher. A years now, we not hear a Teacher and a Popcorn. Years now. Yes, the Teacher was a part of the Fixed Tape project. You know what I mean? We go pop him and do him thing. You know what thing I go? Mixed vibes and feelings towards that, but that's a reasoning for another time. We see the Teacher even put out a post recently on the IG and also tagged Popcorn in it. You know the thing that within itself is a people have talk about unity this and unity that. We're not talking about no unity. A one nation, a dancehall music. There is no divide. There are naysayers. And some of the time, because people pay attention to them have to say, and some of the time they have the loudest voice in the room at that moment, them shout a bag of things. But our one nation, a dancehall music, and we can prove this just by the fact that when an artist want bust or him want notoriety or him say something about the Teacher and Gaza Nation. Think about it. A one nation in a dancehall music right now. Definitely a good look for see a Spragga Benz and a Vybz Kartel track. But remember this, the Teacher and Spragga Benz never have no personal conflict. It was always the music. Remember, Vybz Kartel, robot assassin. Me no care where you're bad from, nor the ends where you trod from. And with that devastating loss in the dancehall lyrical conflict, Spragga decided to go step in, and the Teacher have a robot Spragga too. But it was a musical conflict. One heap of things get said though. You know what I mean? One heap of things were said, but at the end of the day, it was still musical. And for the betterment and the upliftment of the dancehall genre, this is a good look. We now go down the lines of unity this and unity that. Yeah, we now try unify with some people. We are trying mash up dancehall music and I try do things for personal gain. We not depend on that. We can keep the unity there. We don't need the unity there. But for the upliftment and the betterment of dancehall music, as with Vybz Kartel himself say, help enough poor people survive, we will make collaborative efforts like these. But not anybody I can get no feature from the Teacher. But I feel like I saw the thing I go. But at the end of the day, as we continue to say, for the upliftment and the betterment of the dancehall genre, we're glad to see this. And yes, the track has been officially mixed and mastered, and it will be released on the VK Music record label, officially registered, and the Short Bass music label, officially registered. And not just names. I know people like say, oh, this, that record, that records. No. We are talking about official entities with tax paper. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, official release. We have the cover art, as they say, the cover art. You know what I mean? Definitely I bring a vibe, building that anticipation. And the streets attack. Not just locally. You don't know when Vybz Kartel do this, a worldwide settings. World artists, world boss. Now, international fans of dancehall and fans of music in general, I say, yo, this is a good look. Because remember, you have that 90s fan base of dancehall music. Remember, the teacher represents this new millennia in a dancehall music. Spragga that represents that 90s dancehall vibe. And fans of that era in dancehall music, knowing the work that Vybz Kartel is putting in for this millennia in a dancehall music, I say it's a good look. To see one of the big names that is remembered for certain tracks, certain features, certain styles in a dancehall music for the 90s. Shatters are still one of the biggest movie showcasing Jamaican talent and the Jamaican narrative in the world. Whole heap other show make, but at the end of the day, you don't know the thing. If on a third World Cup, I'm Shatters, the people them will eventually talk about a Jamaican movie will really captivate a worldwide audience. Majority of rappers still sing about that movie. Not for them even get familiar with the word shatter, either through family members who have, either started dating or they with Jamaicans, or the fact that them have Jamaican family members, or that them watch that movie. So, Spragga definitely has that 90s fan base, or is a representative of that 90s era in a dancehall music. Big up Bounty, big up all of the other artists, they will do it and set the ground in the 90s. So people are looking forward to see a collaboration of this nature for quite some time. As I say, I know say most artists, I say the teacher for robot. I know say it does musical, because they don't ask the teacher in person and say nothing. Teacher say when him say busy signal when the whole alliance and Gaza thing are going, I run him run. I'ma believe that. Run him run. There's no question about it. Even have to lift up high knees, put in him chest and run with. But at the same time, for the music, we can let bygones be bygones. And who not for there, let them be gone. So when the teacher rub out few of them more out of dancehall music, just know start so it have a play out. And everybody for there. You know what I mean? Yeah, some of these artists are far in the game right now. The more sound are to their actions look like them there for mash up dancehall music. The thing them when them are saying in interviews, things them are putting in a song, talking about a lifestyle with them to live. I promote something with them have no idea about. Not bringing any entertainment value to the music. Not bring nothing to the table. Nothing motivational, nothing educational. They have not bring no style. I'm not say you have to teach the youth something in music. Music is a form of entertainment. So even that entertainment value, even that them lack. But people like new, fresh things or something that seems fresh and new. But for those who know music, you realize that these are just other artists. So I don't emulate an artist who already dominate the industry, but do it without paying homage, and that is disrespectful. I will not work with them. That's just simply it. But talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. This track is officially mixed and mastered and on its way. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, my time reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified when new videos are dropped. You know what I mean? Comment section up 24/7, never lack yet, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. And yes, The share icon is located in close proximity to the like icon. So drop a like and buzz a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, the subscribe icon to the tweet. If you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon. We are saying to you once again. You know what I mean? So until the reason again though, you know the sentiments. Well, for those who don't, our move settings and we don't need a ladder. My sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper. Until the reason again.